my channel. It's your girl, Kirsty Denise. If you're new for the very first time, welcome to my channel, y'all. I hope that before y'all leave, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and you become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? Y'all already know how we do it, okay? So as you read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review. So I got this wig from a company called YIROO on Amazon, and it is their ombre synthetic curly wig in a 16-inch. Now she is wallet friendly and only at $36.99, and I got her in like 2 days. Seriously, like the shipping on this wig was hella fast. I was surprised myself, okay? So now that all of that's out the way, let's go ahead and jump right into this review. So she comes in a box like this, and the box says, girls, keep your heads up. Okay, so let's keep that head high. Inside the box, you're gonna get the wig, a wig cap, and then your elastic band to adjust the wig. Now I did get her in the color OT427, so let's go ahead and see how this is looking. So this is the wig right out of the packaging. This color is so pretty. She has your standard 2 combs at the front, 1 in the back, and also your adjustable straps. And this cap does look big head friendly, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of her, and we're gonna style her, and yeah, we're gonna see what she's working with. on this unit, and this is what we got. Now, first things first, if you do not want this hair to be super straight, do not flat iron it. I learned that the hard way when I was trying to flat iron the bang that I made, and it became super straight. But thank God for the extra curls that I could just put on top that I pulled from behind to kind of, you know, make it look like it still has a little bit of curl in it. So yeah, if you do not want this hair to be straight, do not flat iron it, because it will be bone straight. Other than that, I like the wig. I love the color. The curls are really, really soft, really pretty. I did go ahead and make the wig my own, so I created myself a bang, and I also did a couple of little layers and chopped off some of the hair, not much, just a little bit to frame and fit my face better. But yeah, I think it's cute. The color, like I say, is definitely a summer color. Like, you already know, the highlighted, the golds, the bronze, those are all summer colors. And I feel like she can also transition into fall, because she's not super golden, but more of like that bronzier color. So yeah, I like her. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below. Again, she was only $36.99, and she came within 2 days, literally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.